once I download the picture, it'll, you know.
It'll be a movie?
That's a pretty cool rainbow.
So rainbows they have purple, they have blue, they have green, they have yellow, they have red. That's the colors rainbows do have.
Mm-hmm.
Because I can see the colors.
It's pretty cool that we got a rainbow right in our living room. Wonder why. Maybe the pot of gold is behind that chair.
But why did you say pot of gold? It's just a CD.
Oh. Hey, don't move it, because maybe it's the CD that's making the rainbow.
Maybe that's exit from the pot of gold. Let me see.